Manmachine Works, the pioneers of cleaning business in India since 1987, bring to you world-class vacuum cleaners and car dry cleaning spray extraction machines specially for car wash businesses in association with LCM, leaders in vacuum systems since 2001. Most car washes still use air compressors to blow the dust away, which is banned, and besides being hazardous, it is not cleaning, but blowing the air into micro units, which is still there. We offer our following line of car vacuum cleaners and spray extraction machines. Aries 37-1 single motor wet and dry vacuum cleaner with 37-liter tank capacity. XLM 77-2 heavy-duty double motor vacuum cleaner with 77-liter capacity. 3-phase centralized vacuum cleaner. Estro 125 professional single motor spray extraction machine. Estro 250 heavy-duty double motor spray extraction machine. All our vacuum and spray extraction machines are made of virgin polypropylene for longer life, and there will be no dents, unlike in metal machines. Machines are on a base with 4 caster wheels, making them easy to move in car workshops. Most importantly, all products use the same size motors, making them easy to service. Also, there's silent performers with 60 dB noise level for single motor and 67 dB for double motors. Only our heavy-duty vacuum cleaners come with standard 4-meter hose and a special car vacuuming tool for efficiency. We also have lifelong centralized vacuum cleaners for cleaning up to 3 cars at one go with zero maintenance. Most workshops contract out car dry cleaning, considering it to be a tedious job. With our spray extraction machines, it is the simplest and most profitable job in a workshop. Even if you dry clean 1 car a day, our machine's ROI is 45 days. We have specially designed upholstery tools that will dry car seats fabric up to 90% besides sucking all the dirt and chemicals out. This is why our vacuum cleaners and spray extractions are approved by many 4-wheeler manufacturers such as Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Motors, BMW, Renault, Jaguar, Land Rover, just to name a few. Our products are sold and serviced at 56 locations across the country and supported by a national service helpline, 0120 6500 123. So what are you waiting for? Call us at 0120-425-6161 for a demonstration and see the Manmachine difference.